Hi. I think ito na yung best time for me to talk about Six Sigma paper belts dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi medyo dumadami na sila. And kawawa rin naman yung mga kasama nating Filipino professionals. By the way, I'm Rex, your friend, your fellow learner, and your Six Sigma coach. And I have been practicing Six Sigma since 2005. Lately kasi, dumadami yung mga executives, yung mga bossing, mga vice presidents, senior vice presidents, directors, yung iba presidents and business owners. Yung iba na kilala ko tumatawag sa akin, yung iba nag-PPM on LinkedIn, pero majority nagsasend via email. And they all have the same concern. Ang sabi nila, Rex, alam mo I hired this certified Six Sigma Green Belt or certified Six Sigma Black Belt. Ginawan ko pa ng special compensation package, Rex. Pina-approve ko sa board. Pero almost 1 year na, hindi pa rin makadeliver ng business results. Maraming projects na sinimulan, pero halos hindi natatapos. And ito yung problema. Akala nila, Six Sigma PH lang ang nagtitrain at nagsacertify ng mga Six Sigma professionals dito sa Pilipinas. Number 2, akala rin ng ibang mga leaders na kapag meron kang Six Sigma certification, ay competent ka na to do process improvement work. So when we check further, tinignan namin yung profiles ng mga na-hire nila. Yung kalahati were certified by other Six Sigma schools in the Philippines. Yung other half naman, na-certify via online. And for both, nakakita kami ng pattern. Now, marami sa kanila were certified only after completing 2 things. Number 1, umattend ng training. And number 2, i-pass yung Six Sigma exams na binigay. After that, binigyan na sila ng Six Sigma Green Belt or Six Sigma Black Belt certification. Walang totoong DMake project na nangyari. Yung iba ay case study, yung iba may essay, yung iba may hypothetical project, yung iba naman may paper, case paper na pinipilit magmukhang DMake. Now that is the problem. They were certified without experiencing a real Six Sigma project implementation. Because a real Six Sigma project is not completed overnight. Usually, it takes mga average ng 3 to 5 months. You need a real business problem. You need real business owners. You need real root cause analysis. You need real implementation. You need real measurable results. So when companies hire a person with a Six Sigma certification, their assumption is the person can already deliver business results. But unfortunately, many of them only attended the training. They have not yet led a real project. And that is the biggest lie some people were told about Six Sigma certification. Na kapag umattend ka na ng training, nakapasa ka ng exams, and nakuha mo na yung certification mo, ready ka na for bigger roles in your company. Unfortunately, in real life, hindi ganun. In learning and development, meron tayong principle na training teaches you the method and exams checks your understanding. But the project, the real application, proves your credibility. At Six Sigma PH, we do not skip the most important part. You learn the method, you pass the exams, you implement a real DMake process improvement project, you earn your Six Sigma certification the right way. You earn trust, and that trust opens bigger opportunities. Because a certificate may get you noticed, but a real improvement project gets you trusted.
Rex, the Six Sigma guy.